Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I can put into e to the power of s, everything to the power of number 2. Later that we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to e to the power of s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 gone here, and we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, so we need to put number 1 gone here, and we have the value of u equals to e. This one we change by u. Number 0 we change by number 1. Number 1 we change by e. E to the power of s ds we change by the u. So the integration of this one, we have octane of u. And I will put the bounds from number 1 to e. And now we have octane of e minus octane of number 1. And this one we have b over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.